Craving adventure in Blox Fruits? Then team up with your friends to dominate the seas by creating your very own crew. First things first, open the main menu by clicking the menu button. Next, navigate to the crew option. You'll find it in the list of menu choices. Click it to open the crew menu. This is where the magic happens. To start a crew, you'll need to create one. You can either create a new crew or join an existing crew. Since this video is about creating a crew, let's focus on that. Enter a unique crew name and craft a compelling crew description. Think about what your crew represents. After you've filled out the name and description of your crew, it is time to create it. Tap the create button. Pay attention to your belly. Creating a crew isn't free. Congratulations, you've established your own crew. Now, the real fun begins. Inviting your friends. Click the invite players button. From here, type in the username of the friend you want to invite to your crew or click players' names through the menu, then hit the invite button. The invited player will receive a notification and the crew menu will show the status. Once your crew members accept your invites, you can all start playing together. Complete quests, battle powerful enemies, and gather treasure faster than ever before. Now go out there and conquer the seas with your crew. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more Blox Fruits guides.